Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in the Notes app, tap it, and immediately create a new note with the New Note button. Once created, type a title first so you can find it later, then add text. Tap the camera icon to scan documents or add photos. This keeps everything in one note. Make sure iCloud Sync is on in Settings, so your notes back up and appear on other devices. This prevents accidental loss while you work. Once you have several notes, organize them immediately by creating folders and moving related notes into one place. This reduces clutter. You can pin high-priority notes to the top and add tags like #work or #ideas to find them with search quickly. Use the formatting toolbar to insert checklists, tables, or sketches. Checklists keep tasks actionable, tables structure data, and sketches capture quick ideas visually. These tools make notes functional, not just a list. Finish by sharing or securing the note. Tap Share to invite collaborators and choose View or Edit permissions, which keeps control over changes. For sensitive content, lock the note using a password or Face ID so only you can open it. If something goes wrong, check the recently deleted folder and iCloud. Restore within 30 days if needed. If sync fails, toggle notes in iCloud settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.